Hello soulmates, welcome back to my channel. This is Soul with Pivot. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up and drop a nice comment, okay? So today we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful dress for a girl of 1 to 2 years old. It's actually a summer dress, so enjoy as you watch. Thank you. So to make this, I made use of half yard of crepe fabric. I went ahead to fold my fabric into 4. That is, we are cutting the front and the back at the same time. My fabric width is 12 inches on fold. Now, because it's going to be having a strap, our gown length is actually 18 inches. When we subtract 2 inches, we'll have 16 inches. We are going to be adding 1 inch for folding the hem and 1 inch for folding the upper part where we are going to be passing our strap. Therefore, we have 18 inches for our gown length. So we're going to go in by 2 inches on the upper part, and then for the armhole part we're supposed to go down by 3.5 inches plus that 1 inch. We're going down by 4.5 inches. So I came down by 4.5 inches, and then I'll just connect it like this, and then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I'm going to open it up so that you will see what it looks like, and then this is what we have. Let me turn it over. So the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and finish up our armhole using a bias strip. So I've done that, and then this is what I have. So I did that for the two parts, both the front and the back, and then this is what we have. The next thing I'll do is to mark out 1 inch on this upper part. So that is going to serve as our casing. That's where we're going to be passing our strap for the sleeve. So I'm marking 1 inch all through, and then I'll go ahead and connect it into a straight line, and then this is it. Then we'll go ahead and fold it in, and then we sew. I'll fold it on that 1 inch line and sew. So I'll do so for the two parts, and then I've done that, and then this is what we have. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead to cut out the strap, and then these are the two pieces we have for the strap. The width of this piece is 2 inches, while the length is about 31 inches. So let's say 31 inches, and then we have 2 pieces of this like I initially said. So the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and fold. So go ahead and fold it, and then we sew it. You can fold this way, sew and turn it over, or sew whichever way you like. And then so this is it. I already sewed it. This is what I have. The next thing I'll do is to use my safety pin to pass it through that casing we already made, and I'm going to be doing so for both the front and the back. So after passing it, I went ahead to tie the edge. I just went ahead to tie the edge. You can add beads to that edge before you tie, just to give it like a fancy look and all that. So I'll do the same thing for the back. This is actually a simple DIY that can be achieved in less than 10 minutes. So if you know you are enjoying this tutorial up to this point, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thank you. So let's continue. So after passing it, I'll go ahead to bring the front bodies and the back bodies together, and then we place them together, and we go ahead and join them and sew. I'm going to sew the two sides. So after sewing, this is what we have. So let me turn it over so that you can see how beautiful our little dress is looking like. And then this is what we have. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and fold the hem and sew. And we are simply done with our dress. This dress can actually be replicated for an adult, for maternity, just for an easy wear. Like you can easily replicate this for yourself. You can decide to add belts just to give it a little touch. So this is what we have. Hope you have subscribed at this point. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.